Okay, so now the Xbox is open, and I hope you guys can hear this sound. This like motor sound or airplane sound. So it's coming from the AC adapter. I'm all okay with it, but when I turn off the Xbox, like when I hold the Xbox button, then I click on turn off console. Okay, so now it's gonna start blinking. And supposedly the sound must go off when I turn off the Xbox, but it doesn't. So it's like in a standby phase. Yeah, the Xbox is turned off, but the sound is still on. The airplane motor sound. So I'm gonna turn on the Xbox again. I'm gonna show you a fix for this problem. Okay, so now the Xbox is on. You click on the Xbox button, then you go left. You go to the settings, and you're gonna turn off the Xbox fully, like a full shutdown. You wanna go to general, then go to sleep mode and startup, and then you're gonna go down to full shutdown. And now, before I do this, hear the sound. Okay, so now I'm gonna do full shutdown. Completely shut down your Xbox One console. Okay, shut down, yes. Okay, now the sound is gone. This is really good. No more motor or airplane sound, and the Xbox is turned off, and it's really good. No more annoying sound. I'm okay with it if I'm playing, but when the Xbox is off, it should be off. Now I'm gonna turn it back on by holding the Xbox button, and it's working. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so I hope this is useful for you guys to stop the annoying sound.